idling on her own without Mama revving it. She said an uplift on the top end, whole new front end put on by myself and my son, tie rod ends, shocks, brakes, rotors, the works. And it's got a custom spring job in it as well. Previous owner from Arizona installed Gibach springs. You can just see this decal that he left on there. Ibach springs. Stereo with the cord for your iPod. And of course, a stick. Can't drive a car like this without it being a stick. It's typical Fiero. Small box, small pouch, and a nice place if you want to mount your own custom stereo system. In my last Fiero, I had bazooka speakers in the bottom, tweeters up high, and new 6x9s on the front. So lots to play with.